In this video, we are going to see how you can use TeeTTY. TeeTTY is basically a wrapper binary to execute a command in a PTY while providing remote control facilities. So, in order to install it, I'm going to use my trusty Fedora virtual machine. I have just installed Rust and Cargo. And with Cargo, we are going to install TeeTTY. And once the installation completes, we should be able to use it. So basically what we have to do for this to work is to provide an input file and the output file and an executable. And we are going to use Python as it's in basically the demo. So let me just skip to the part where the install is complete and we will continue from there. Alright, the installation is now complete. What we have to do is to add to the path variable the content of the path variable and the location where the cargo bin folder lives. And once this is done, we should be able to run the TeeTTY, and here is how you can use it. I think let's go and export this path as well here on my own user. And it cannot find it. Great. So let's go back, and now let's try it. So for the TeeTTY to work, what we have to do is the following. So for example, we say that we TeeTTY on the input folder called std_in and the output on the std_out, and we want to run Python. So now if I open up another terminal, let's do it this way. Come on, new window. Here we can see the process which is running currently. And what I want to do is to create another TTY which is going to tail my output. So yeah, and what I want to do here is to sudo there, and I should have the std_out. So if I tail -f std_out, you can see that I have the prompt here. And if I write import this, you can see it mirrored in the output file. And if I open up another terminal like this and go and echo something to the input file, see what happens. So let's enter the password correctly. And once the password is entered correctly, we should be able to, come on. So let's enter the password correctly. All right, and echo import OS to the std_in. You can see as if I had just written that file in my REPL. And what we can also do is to call the os.name with the print. So this is how you can use the TeeTTY to your advantage. See you in the next one.